Listen, if you're watching this video, there's an extremely high probability that you don't own any life or health insurance currently. Now, if that's the case, I'm here to tell you that it's not your fault. I've been in the financial services industry for over 8 years, and I'll be the first to tell you that we've made it far too difficult and complicated to get the information that Canadians need. But I've got some good news for you. With the free gifts that we're going to give you, if you follow our plan, you will never have to worry about you or your family's financial security ever again. Because we're going to give you everything you need and help you make the decisions that will result in financial peace of mind, all for free. My name is Yermaya Durrani. I'm a licensed life and health insurance advisor. I got into this industry because when I was a child, I witnessed firsthand how financial stress led to my parents' divorce and the collapse of my family. Interest rates got to over 18% in Canada in the late 1980s. My parents lost their job in the recession, and we lost our home. It made me realize that if two highly educated people, like my mother and my father, who had master's degrees and good jobs, could still struggle financially, it meant that people weren't getting a good financial education. I decided that I didn't want the young family that I was starting to ever be threatened by that kind of financial stress. 8 years ago, when I got into the financial services industry, I wanted to make a difference in the lives of everyday Canadians. Now, I thought that the way to do it was to help them save and invest money. But it did take me long to realize that that wasn't the first step. It was a great second step, however. Early in my career, I came across a family that had been devastated emotionally and financially by the death of a spouse. With no second income and a 3-year-old child, the surviving spouse's life had been radically changed. I knew that all of this could have easily been avoided if they had owned affordable life and health insurance. Investing just pennies a day would have altered their destiny. The problem was that nobody had ever shown them how easy, how powerful, and how affordable life insurance was. That's when I decided to go on a mission to make sure that every Canadian had access to affordable life insurance coverage. Unfortunately, it didn't take me long to realize that it wasn't really going to be possible for me to meet with more than, say, 15 families a week. It was going to take a long time to complete my mission at that rate and go coast to coast across Canada this way. I was spending almost half my time driving from one appointment to another, and after a few years of working 60 hours a week, I started to lose heart. Maybe it just wasn't going to be possible to make a difference the way that I wanted to make a difference. I was on the verge of giving up. And that's when I had my big aha moment. I realized that to achieve my dream, I had to go digital. That's when I teamed up with my friend and colleague, Cam Respondek, who's a certified financial planner, and we started Easy Insurance. The problem that we had was that we needed to create an online experience that would somehow replicate our initial discovery meeting with our clients. After years of doing discovery meetings with people, I know that clients just want to know 4 things when it comes to life and health insurance. Do I need it? How much do I need? What are my options? And how much is the investment? Those are the 4 things. I'm going to make it easier for you to get the answer to these 4 questions than it's ever been before. You don't need to call an advisor, book an appointment, clean your house, wait a week for the appointment, for them to arrive, invite them into your home, serve them a cup of coffee, go through the whole long process, because we synthesized it right down to the core. And we're going to give it to you. In fact, what I want to do is give you a package of products and services that are valued at over $595 for free. That's right, you heard me correctly. This will never ever cost you a dime. Here's what you get. You get a free comprehensive digital report that will tell you how much life insurance, if any, you need, as well as how much the investment will be. You're going to get a free, no obligation, 30-minute strategy session with a licensed advisor about how you can achieve financial security. You're going to get access to our 3-part audio series titled How to Achieve Financial Security in Canada, which will detail our philosophy on how to achieve financial peace of mind. And you can listen to this as a 3-episode podcast. You're going to get a 12-month subscription to our private personal finance newsletter the easy way to financial peace of mind. And you're going to get free lifetime access to our private Facebook group, Financial Security in Canada. Think of this as having a financial advisor in your pocket. You can get direct access to financial advice through your phone and get any of your questions answered for free. Is it okay if we over-deliver? Whether you do business with us or not is fine, but we feel proud of the fact that we were able to get the information out to Canadians that they needed to potentially avoid the biggest mistake of their lives. The first thing that money should bring you is peace of mind. And if you do not have financial peace of mind yet, it's probably because no one helped you come up with a plan. We're putting the ball in your court. What we're offering is to help you get the financial peace of mind that you deserve. Complete the short questionnaire below, access your comprehensive report that way, and then all of your other gifts are going to arrive to you by email. We appreciate the privilege of being able to serve you. God bless.